Hello guys, Craig Newton here. I will show you my 4th Knex bomb machine. This is update 2. So, it's quite big machine so far. It's tall, you know why? Because it's on the right units, so that's how it makes it tall. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm only going to show you a second new lift and a first path. So on this machine it has 2 new lifts and 3 paths, but I started the first path, so I'm still working on it. You know, I'm still building on it even though. So anyways, let's dive into it. I just put a ball there. Here's a second new lift right here. Let's turn on more. Watch this lift, guys, it's really cool. There we go. That's a second lift. Done that. Here we go. Now I will show you the first path. Path 1, it's just rolling down the track, and then on the track here, on the wee track there, and turn, and then I catch it. I think it will be a element running about here, I don't know yet. So that's why I'm saying I'm still working on it. You know, I'm still building it, even though, as you noticed, I'm still building around about this area, something like that. Now I can put a ball down, here we go. That's pretty much it. I'm only going to show you a second new lift and the first path. So the next video, probably my 4th Knex bomb machine, you know, when it's finished. Yeah, it will be finished. Well, if it's the next video. So anyways, I don't know when it's going to be finished, probably around about July, something like that. I don't know. So I hope you're looking forward to this. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing bomb machine. So anyways, have to close this video now. I give this a 3 thumbs up or down, up, or whatever you like it or not. So don't forget to subscribe for content, link the subscription and come some more. So bye.